Updated to iOS 26 and your emojis are gone from the keyboard? Let's fix that right now. First, re-add the emoji keyboard. For this, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a little and go to General. Again, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. Then, select Keyboards. If emoji is not listed, tap Add New Keyboard. Select emoji from the list. Your emoji keyboard should now be restored. To test it, open any app like Messages or WhatsApp. Now, try to type something, and you should see the emoji button back. If emojis are still missing, let's refresh your system. Press and release the volume up and volume down buttons in quick succession. Immediately, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. This clears any temporary iOS glitches and restarts your phone. Now check your keyboard again, and it should have the emojis back. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.